Today we did a lab on the pH levels and it was really fun. We got to dip little strips of paper into liquids like shampoo and vinegar and water, which surprisingly isn't a base. We learned about different pH levels. Like on the lower scale, it's more acidic. Like if you have a 1, 2, 3, those are all very acidic liquids. Meanwhile, if you have an 11 or a 12, those are very basic.
Then you're going to match it to the little pH scale that's on your tray.
So basically what we're doing is we're taking like 8 different liquids, so like water, milk, dish soap, like that kind of stuff. And we were dipping pH paper into them and seeing based on what color it came, what pH level it was. And then we documented them down on the paper. We got to like try to guess what they are. And so some of them were surprising, like shampoo is like slightly acidic. And everyone at my table thought it was going to be basic.
I enjoyed getting to dip things in liquids with my friends.
That's pretty fun trying to find out what was what.